Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail in CapCut. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly open the application, then click on new project over here. Now for the background of the thumbnail, I'm going to choose this white background over here, then click on add. Now as you can see, this is not the perfect size for a YouTube thumbnail. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to change the ratio of this picture. So simply click on the layer over here and then search for an option called ratio. As you can see right over here at the very bottom. Now over here, just simply choose 16:9 and click on the check mark. Now just simply adjust the rotation of the image over here. So click on the image layer, then adjust it by your hands, just like that. And now zoom it. And now you have a perfect background for your thumbnail. But now if you want to change the color of the thumbnail, you can also do that. So click on the layer again. Now look for an option called adjust over here. Now click on adjust. And over here you will have a lot of options to play around with. So the first option that you can try is hue. So if you want, you can change it to see multiple variations of colors. And then you can also play around with temperature, which will also help, as you can see right over here. Now, after doing all of that, click on the check mark option at the bottom. And now it is time to add an image for our thumbnail. So we will need to add an overlay. So it's a very easy process. Just simply click on the overlay option at the very bottom. And then click on add overlay. And now this is the person that I want to add. And now all you have to do is click on add. Now the person have been added over here. Now resize it with your fingers again. And now after that, our thumbnail needs a little bit of text. Again, you can find that right over here. So click on text. Then you will have a lot of text option over here, as you can see. So the normal basic text that I want is add text. Click on that option. And it will add simple text box, as you can see right over here. So over here, you can choose a font, whatever you like. But for now, I'm going to go with the basic one over here. Now you can just simply go to the style tab and do some styling if you want to. And now just simply add the text. So just simply click on the text option and enter the text. So let's say, for example, I'm going to type CapCut over here. And then just simply click on the check option. And now I want another layer of this. So click on the duplicate option, which you'll find right over here. This one over here. So make sure to click on this option to duplicate it. So click on that option and you will be able to duplicate it. Now just simply drag it down over here. Now add some text over here. So it's going to be tutorial. Now you can also adjust the layer over here if you want to. And now your thumbnail is ready. So you can do much more things in this software, but I'm going to show you in the basic way over here. So this is basically how you can create a thumbnail in CapCut. And now once your thumbnail is ready, just simply take a screenshot of your image. So take a screenshot. And now just simply crop the screenshot over here. And now you can upload this on your YouTube thumbnail. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do not subscribe to our channel and take care.